Model, 2018 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 CDI Extra Long Diesel 3.5T High Roof Van Automatic Spares OR Repairs Bargain Grin. Body, green, panel van. Mileage, 193077. MOT, 19 May 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 140 HPMI2B. Transmission, automatic rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine seized will need repairing or replacing. Automatic gearbox is all good, shows no fault codes. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400